Rashid, this is our data processing case study. So we are going to elaborate like this. The first case is going to explain by you. So here we are analyzing the data of national census of the ferry operator 2020, in which we have to exercise for the non-electrical vessels, which are the most and the least energy efficient vessel in 2020, and what are the national explanation for your result. And second one, how the energy efficient to be used to establish a fixed figure reflecting ongoing performance of the vessel justify your opinion. So based on the data provided by the operator, we are using the following methodology. Over there, this expression is going to be used while calculating the cargo transported. We are assuming the cargo transportation is equal to the number of the passenger. So when we filter the data, we are getting the diesel operated vessel 615, diesel low sulfur vessel 1, gasoline operated 34, biodiesel operated 20, and electrical and other means of the vessels are 215. Based on references from this website calculation.com, we are treating as a 1 US gallon of the diesel 3.22 kg of diesel with a density, biodiesel 3.31 and gasoline 2.83, and CIF value are these, which is reflected in the table. So following are the image assumptions and limitation. Cargo mass carried is equal to number of passengers. CF value liquefied petroleum gas is same as the gasoline. Biodiesel assume ethanol value 40% lower than the diesel. A bit of the screenshot so that while we are doing the our exercise, this kind of the table we have drafted, and all the calculation is done in the Excel sheet. So our result on the discussion. So based on the calculation, we find the most energy efficient vessel is vessel ID 460, but this fuel mileage looks unrealistic. So we have not considered this one because 14015 fuel mileage is impossible kind of a figure. Maybe this data is not realistic. So we will go to another close figure, which is the vessel ID 51051, and these are the figures which are getting. And the least one is a Cumberland vessel ID 81, which is 95 built, and approximately 2286 nautical miles has been voyaged during this year, and this is the energy efficient coefficient. And we cannot establish the fixed figure because this calculation depend upon the shift activities operation. It will vary with the possible consideration over the time between the voyage. So it is not which can be directly interlinked with the sum of the parameters with this coefficient, because a lot of things are there, which is navigation, how we are steaming, what kind of vessel we are using, which weather we are routing, and what are the BHP of the engine, and what are the fuels. So all these are the parameters which govern this uh, energy efficient. Obviously, more the cleaner fuel, we will get the better result. That is the only one conclusion we can give with this. But though also it depends upon if it is traveling in the rough weather condition, or um, where it is consuming more fuel, then obviously the CO2 emission will be much more. So based on that, we cannot establish, but yeah, there is some relevant figure which can be closely give some assumptions for the CO2 emission. Thank you.